we were recently partnered with Blue, and they have sent us some really cool gear to up our stream game. So today we're going to be unboxing this beautiful microphone, the Spark SL. So let's get started. So this is the Spark SL. It's a large diaphragm studio condenser microphone. Detailed, transparent sound. Light your fire. The Spark SL brings Blue legendary studio sound to your recording space. This package includes the microphone, the shock mount, and a protective wood box. That's gonna sound really nice for ASMR unboxing. Let's see what else it says about this microphone. We got a little damage in the corner from, I guess, shipping, but that's okay. The Spark SL brings Blue's legendary studio sound to your recording space. The custom-designed condenser capsule and Class A electronics deliver transparent sound with superb detail and rich harmonic content. While the high-pass filter and the, I guess you would say, negative 20 decibels, I could be wrong, I'm not an audio expert, pad provide ultimate flexibility. Whether you're starting your studio or expanding your mic locker, Spark SL offers incredible versatility and trusted Blue performance for recording vocals, drums, guitar, pianos, and more. Alright. Let's get this baby open. Apologies for the birds in the background, I can't really control them. Just short about the microphones. Technical specifications. I'm still learning how all of the audio stuff works. It's such a pretty microphone. Alright. Let's get this cute box out. Oh my gosh. This box out of the way. Look at this beautiful microphone box. It's wood. Let's see what's inside. Quality control certification. This product has passed Blue Microphone's rigorous quality inspection process. Thank you for your purchase. Frequency response, noise specification, fit, and finish. Oh, there's like a piece of felt. So soft and fluffy. Oh, look at the piece. Oh, look at that. That is so nice. It's such a cute microphone. I'm currently recording this ASMR video with my Blue Yeti, so it'll be fun to do some audio with the new microphone to see how it compares. I mainly got this microphone for live streaming and voice recording. Wow, that is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Look at that. I love the color. That is so nice. This thing is heavy. You can definitely feel the quality. It doesn't feel like a cheap piece of equipment. I am so excited to hook this thing up. I want to say thanks again to Blue Microphones for partnering with me and sending me some of their amazing products. We also got the boom arm, the satellite headset, and some cables to hook us up. Thank you everyone for watching our unboxing video today. I love this case that it came in. piece of equipment. It's definitely enjoyable to get the cool accessories that have come along extra. It's not just a microphone, it came with a beautiful box. My new headset came with a wonderful travel case as well. There it is. Our first unboxing ASMR video. I hope you all enjoyed. As I bang my hand into the microphone. Thank you all for tuning in. We will catch you next time, hopefully with an updated review video of the microphone itself. We will be testing it. I totally forgot about the shock mount. So let's see what that looks like. Oh, sweet. Oops. Sorry about bumping the microphone. Clearly different. It's got all the little products. Oh, we got another 20% off discount. Oh, they've got giveaways on the website as well. That's awesome. We will be doing some giveaways soon as well. I've got this one. I've had this one. I've got these now. I've got that phone. I've got the boom arm now. And that looks like the Spark, right? That's fun. So many great products. An awesome sticker. It's an empty box. Set that aside. This should be your shock mount. Okay, now the box is empty. It's nice that this microphone came with a shock mount. Loud, I'm sorry. I've never had a shock mount before. Oh, this thing is heavy duty, man. Wow. That is nice. That is also nice and heavy. I've seen shock mounts before. This one's like super nice.